This man helping his friend with super confident, but wait to see the ending. When you are starving too much and you have couple of snacks left, and then suddenly this happen.
We got there, Jab. Couple of snags.
Couple of snags, mate. Nothing better than down a beer and a snag.
You should check your weight before riding.
Vamos no cavalo. Calma, Marcílio, calma, Marcílio. Vai arriar o cavalo, meu Deus. É, Maurício? É? Eita, cara.
This is what happens when your bike stunt fails.
Tranquilo, que está todo re bien, ¿ah? Yo te voy a sacar la de atrás, pero necesito que haga un paso más. Uno, ahí está, vamos. Voy a sacarla del medio, si puedes abrir la pierna.
This girl is about to test brand new iron. Then watch her carefully. This is how to work out your lazy cat.
Come on, get more.
Ôi, 美女，你那后病有个枪啊！哎，后病有个枪！哎，这哪还找呢？
A bad place to take combined picture.
上去合影去呢。
If you want to become a weightlifter, then watch this man. This man showing his Tarzan skill to impress his partner. This girl riding on statue horse. When you invent a brand new game. Mr. Bilbo, where are you going? I'm going to adventure.
Mr. Bilbo, where are you going? Oh my god!
How to feed seagulls from inside your car.
Bro.
This guy tasting his first ride. When your stunts succeed, but with something amazing. This girl super excited to kick off this ball, but wait to see the ending. How to park your brand new car with fully confident. This girl trying to touch her leg to the roof, but wait a second. That's the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed. If you, then give a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments which one make you laugh. See you very soon guys.